Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Sam Aksham. So today we will learn how we can do composites layer up of composite material like CFRP, ECC or whatever in Abaqus. So I will show you one model. Let's say I name it as I will do this for a blade. So this is a blade. I imported as a step file. You can make it also in Abaqus. But the purpose of this video, how to do that composites layer up whenever you define any CFRP material. This is a wind blade and this is I think the inner part of it. For example, you can say this is a fan blade, whatever. Then you do the property, create a CFRP and give a density here. I just you can follow any paper, even you can follow these values. And let's say I'm just for elastic I can say because mostly the composites material are anisotropic. So give it this value, okay. I didn't define any plastic, but you can also define another plastic properties. So let's just here it should be composite shell composites. Let's say CFR, and then here CFRP for one blade. I think three layers would be enough. Let's say yeah, and the orientation angle you can follow this one. If you have three blades, you can create three layers for each blade. So here it will be let's say thickness is 15 or let's say one yeah 15 millimeter or 5 millimeter, let's say. Okay, this is all, and then you assign this. Sorry, this one. Okay, so now the material is assigned and the color has changed. Now the main thing how we can do you can do the continuum shell. If it is a totally hollow from inside, you can do convention shell, but I think it's not hollow, so you can do continuum shell. And here select the region. For example, one blade you can just select this region, whole region, and it will automatically define different directions, one, reference two, reference three. And then material CFRPS. Okay, thickness is like let's say 5 millimeter. You can define whatever you want. I just give you an example. And rotation angle is this one. Yeah, okay. So that's all. So you see, and now it has a multiple layers composite material. So this is how you do the composite material, and then you can just do the analysis whatever. But that's not the purpose of video. So I will not do this. So yeah, this is how you do. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask.